Good day everyone, welcome back to our video. So in this lecture video, we are going to create a sinking fund schedule using Excel or Microsoft Excel. But before that, let us define first what is a sinking fund. So a sinking fund, it is a fund containing money set aside or saved to pay off a debt or bond. Alright, so let us have an example here. What quarterly deposits into a sinking fund earning 5% compounded quarterly are necessary to accumulate 9,000 pesos in 3 years and construct a sinking fund schedule. So, in this presentation, I already uh, put the information needed here in a sinking fund schedule. So our present value, since this is a sinking fund, our present value is zero. Then our period or the number of periods we have equals 3 years. 3 years times, since it is compounded quarterly, our M here is 4. And that is our period. We have 12 periods. And our rate equals sign. Rate we have 5%. In decimal form, it is 0.05 divided by the M. Our M is 4. Therefore, our rate is 0.0125. And our future value or the future amount we have equals sign the 9,000 pesos. And our payment we have equal sign the PMT open parentheses the rate this cell common this the periods and the present value, then the future value. So let us put negative sign in future value, then comma 0, then close parenthesis. So our regular pay or the payment we have 699.82. So and our months or the number of periods we have 12 periods. So 1 drag this down and 12 field series. Alright, so that is 12 periods. And our initial amount we have equal sign. Initial amount we have or the present value is 0, 0. Then our PMT equals sign and this cell, the PMT or the payment, we have 699.82 pesos and the interest is equal sign the initial amount times the rate. Alright, so our interest is 0 and our final amount, that is the sum of these three cells. Alright, close parenthesis, and our final amount we have 699.824811.1. And in the next period we have the initial amount is our final amount. Just click this cell and our penalty we have was the payment. So in order to copy this cell, instead of um, putting all the values manually, we can have put dollar sign in between in letter B, that is before and after. Alright. And now our interest here is the initial amount equals sign the initial amount times the rate, and let us have put dollar sign between this B, or before and after of letter B, and that is our interest. And for the final amount, we have equal sign the sum of these three cells, then close parenthesis, and our final amount is 1408.39. Alright, so in order to, okay, so instead of putting all the values manually, we can highlight this second period, and then drag this down 12. So alright, so that's the our final amount in 12 period. We have 9,000 pesos. So that uh, so that's the end of our lecture video. We ano, um, that's the at the 12 period, your the final amount will be 9,000 pesos, and your regular payment is 699.82. Alright, so that is how you are going to create a sinking fund schedule using Excel. So just remember all the process on how you are going to create a sinking fund schedule. Alright, so that's the end of our video. Just thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.